is 6 a.m. Trying on my sunglasses. As of now, Tory Burch.
Talaga?
And we are going to
Pero like,
Puduran.
nag-glowy-glowy ka?
No, I don't like that.
Once siya, ano ka din dati, nung growing up siya, so ka din mga...
6 a.m. and we are all ready to go to Puduran just to buy some fish. On the table. That table. What are we going to do in Puduran with?
To buy fish.
To buy fish. Straight from the water. Chaos. It's only 3 of us here and it's so loud.
Hindi, magkakang-juice ko pa, different.
We are now in Puduran after 1 hour drive from Ligao City. And my mom is going to be looking for fish. What does that even say? Puduran Central Fish Landing.
Kadi mahugdi ka ba? Day ma'am po ma'am. Galunggong yan ma'am. Kato. Matangga.
Mas masirang. Mas matang ka doon.
Oh, sige na.
Gawin lang kinil tayo.
220 ma'am.
Parang yung masarap ang taligaw.
Ma'am po.
200 po.
Bakalan sa...
The water is so calm. Bay na. Yeah. The water is so calm behind me. Oh my gosh. The view is nice. Oh my gosh, where did they go?
Sige, kusidukan mo ka. Ano yun, Riado?
Kusido ko ka to.
Ah, pwede kusido. Kalakito.
Anong isa yan?
Kalakito?
Kalakito. Ah, pwede kusido.
Oh, there's still some boats fishing there. Fishing.
This is how they clean the fish.
That's how they remove the scales, right?
Yeah.
That's how they remove the scales. We are at the market. Wet market.
Wet market.
To buy more things. Of not Ligao. Puduran. Yeah. Si Mother, nagabakal na makalning more fish. Pula.
Asin siya. Ayaw di ba ballpen?
Ito kan
Pamilit ballpen. Pusit na ballpen.
Ay, malalay ko ako yan.
250 ang kilo ma'am. 40 yan ma'am.
all these fish was directly from the water you just saw. Very, very fresh. Are you buying it? We're buying squid.
Si Sir, kanto ka magloko ka ng squid.
They're still moving, some of the fish.
Kuya, ito, awan ikan karawag mo.
Ampalaya. Kung gusto mo magbakal kalamansi.
Gawin na ikang kilo.
Kilo daw, te. 100 po. Ha? 100.
100.
Bakal na.
Upe. Sada kilo.
Gunod, gis.
100 po.
Benching ko 1-4.
Tin ka man sana.
Alman.
Kapali din. Sama, gis kan po ang po.
Mas na nene.
Loy, Tita Amy. Oh, we're crossing the street. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's the market, and here's the other market. Oh wow! My favorite.
Tanaan nga yan. Pwedeng tara.
We can never. There is no lanzones at all in America. Only here we can taste it. Lanzones. I love lanzones. Kumusta ma?
Tamis.
She's already tasting it.
Tamis.
It's sweet.
So sweet.
Wow. Opo sana. Maubos ta ka.
Mangga.
Lanzones. We love this so much. We have to go to Canada to eat lanzones. Paano na sa Nakadua na sa
Free taste.
One.
One is enough. Two is too much. Miss Aina is so enjoyed to go in Piyuduran Albay.
Yes.
Only in the Philippines. Ngog man yan.
Ano yan?
Lansones.
Lanzon. Bye na. It's okay. Thank you. Okay na lang.
This is tupe.
Tupi saday. That is
Tupe
tuping dakala.
Tupe na sana.
Ubas. Ano yan?
Papaya.
Papaya.
Saan sa gale?
Davao. All the fruits are from Davao.
Ano mo na ba kan?
Mango.
Oh, suporta ni kan. May nang kinuha ko na.
Pansit. Bato. From Bato. Okay. It's like a bowling ball. Watermelon na parang bowling ball. What do you have to say? You have to say something.
I have to say something because Camille Aina is enjoying go here in Piyuduran. But speechless.
Speechless. Sana masabi. We are going back to the car now. Probinsya Carinderia style fruit. Ano pa ang
Tausi.
Probinsya Carinderia style.
Piodoran. Probinsya Carinderia style.
Piodoran.
Piodoran.
First time ni Mami. First time ko sa Piodor.
First time na magkaroon dito sa Carinderia.
Nakaka na ako sa Carinderia. Huwag mo na. Yeah, ikagay
Sa
sa
de
pa.
Perme. Tausi. Koto tayo. Koto tayo.
Nasa Carinderia si Mami Reg.
Carinderia.